Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well, and first of all let me thank each one of you, all my friends and family who've shown immense love and support for my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. And also let me know what videos would you like to see in future. I'll definitely come up with those. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite essentials and my everyday products with you all, and some of them which I've been using, more than over a decade. So let me start with this face cream, and this is from the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream for all skin types. So this is one cream that again I've been using. It's been more than a decade, and it's my favorite. I love it. I can't live a day without this cream. And it's not that I've not used any other brands. I've tried many brands, and even in the similar category like Forest Essentials, Kama Ayurveda, but I absolutely love this one and I highly recommend it. And just one tip that I can give you for face cream is that whenever you apply cream, just apply more towards your forehead, because forehead they tend to wrinkle easily, and towards your laughter line here. And yeah, this is my absolute favorite cream. It smells amazing, the texture is amazing, and yeah, you would love it. So this is priced at $9.95. So another essential of mine is this eye cream, again from Body Shop for all skin types, and I absolutely love this. It's my favorite. Again, I've been using this since a long time. It's been over a decade, and I remember so back in college, like my first year of college, and that time, that was the time that I had developed a few spots here and there, like acne marks, and a little bit of acne here and there. And I happened to go to this dermatologist in Apollo Hospital. This was still there, and at that time it used to be one of the best hospitals, and in fact it was the best one. And I remember I regretted going there because they gave me really harsh medicines, and I remember the doctor gave me this Pacnit bar soap as a cleanser for my face, and he told me not to apply anything else after that, and that left my face very dry, and it deprived my skin of all the moisture. And so once, I think I was just sitting in college, and I happened to see there was this line under my eye, and I immediately, I think after that, I started using this eye cream, and ever since this has been my favorite. I can't do a day without this eye cream, and it really helps because it really gives you that moisture, and yeah, I highly recommend this. So this is for, again, MRP is $9.95. So yeah, seeing so many products of Body Shop, actually I think Body Shop is my favorite go-to brand for like skincare. And so again, this I love the body butter of the Body Shop. I love the consistency of it. I've tried many other brands, like I don't want to be naming all the brands, but this happens to be my favorite because I have very dry skin, so I need that a little like intense formula. I don't apply moisturizers and to my skin, so yeah, so I usually go for like 20-hour moisture for normal to dry skin. It's this one, and I don't only use the rose one. I keep changing. They have many like different flavors, like yeah, I also love like the almond and honey one. So yeah, I highly recommend this too. And the body butters are priced at rupees 1045. So again, another product from the Body Shop that I love and I use every day is the Body Shop Vitamin C Daily Glow Cleansing Polish, and it's this one. So this comes in two variants. So this is like the lighter version, so it has like little bit of scrub like texture, but it's not harsh on your skin. So it has like few molecules that don't prick you, but the other one is like I think microderma vitamin C something, so that can only be used once a week, but this you can use every day. So I tend to use this like you know, when I'm in the shower, and once a day. So when you know, during my night routine, this is the face wash that I go for. This is from the Forest Essential, and it's the Delicate Facial Cleanser. It's Kashmiri Saffron and Neem. So this also helps with the acne, and because you know, like I do have like oily skin, like it's a normal to combination, but I get my skin is quite oily on my T-zone, and so yeah, this is very, very delicate, and it's a really, really nice cleanser. And this, I'm not sure if I told you the price of this, the earlier one, that one, the vitamin C one, was for 1295, and this one is for 1395. So after that, let me show you my favorite shampoo. So again, you know, for every day I have very oily scalp, so at max I can just you know, give a day, like just let there be like, I just leave out a day and do hair wash. So my favorite is, all-time favorite is this Olaplex shampoo. It's the number 4 bond maintenance shampoo, and again it's like it says repairs, strengthens and nourishes all hair types, and it's chemical free, sulfate free, and really, really nice. Like when I apply this, I don't feel the need to apply the conditioner, because it's just so nice, and it leaves your hair really, like really good, you know, tangle free. And however, this is one shampoo that I've been using since a long time, and I think I'll always use. But you know, my current favorite is this one, Keristar's it's Bain Nutri Fortifying shampoo, and it's for anti-hair fall fortifying shampoo, and yeah, prone to falling due to breakage. So this one I really like with the Olaplex, you know, it's very like light shampoo. So whenever you have oil in your hair and all, so you know, I don't think it really cleanses your hair to that extent that will give you like very, like, you know, voluminous hair and like the scalp, and like when you feel that. So but this one, it just works as like a voluminous shampoo, and amazing smell, and I absolutely love it. So this one, again, I'm just leaving out the prices, I think. So the Olaplex is for I'm also going to be linking all these products so you can have a look. So the Olaplex is for where's the price? Yeah, I think it's for 2300 or something. I can't see the price. Yeah, oh sorry, it's for 2950. The MRP is rupees 2950, and this one is for 2300. So after that, I'm going to be sharing my favorite oil with you all. It's amazing. It's from this brand Kama Ayurveda. It's the organic sweet almond oil, cold pressed, 100% organic. So more than coconut oil, I really like this almond oil. For skin, for hair, it's really good, and it's really good for your hair fall, for your hair growth. It's like all-purpose oil. So again for this, it's for 1195 for this size bottle. So after that, let me share with you my favorite perfume. So this was very hard for me because I absolutely love perfumes, but this is my favorite. This is Oud Ispahan, by Christian Dior Paris, and I just love it. It's very intense. I don't like very light fragrances that go easily. I want that strong and intense fragrance that just stays on, and very unique. Again, this is from the exclusive range of Dior, so it is slightly more expensive. Yeah, I don't really remember the price clearly, but I'm going to be linking this down. So, yeah. So after that, let me share my favorite sunscreen with you all, which happens to be this Clarins one. So this is Clarins Paris. It's called UV Plus Anti-Pollution and the SPF 50. Again, this is very light in texture. It just needs to be applied just a 2 drop or very little bit, and evenly, or on your entire face, and it's really good. So just after you moisturize your face, like after your face cream, you can straight away apply this. So again, I'm not sure about the price. I'll be linking this down below in the description box. And moving on, okay, after that, let me show you my favorite foundation, which happens to be this Forever Undercover 24-hour full coverage by Dior. So I've got many compliments when it comes to my makeup, because especially my foundation, a lot of my friends have come up to me and they've been like, it doesn't look that you're wearing a foundation. And so I just apply this really like in a very small quantity, really nice. And my shade in this is 023, and it's amazing. It doesn't feel heavy at all, and it's very good with coverage. So I highly recommend this foundation by Dior. So after the foundation, let me tell you my concealer. This is by Makeup Forever. Again, I've tried many concealers, international brands, many like brands I've tried, but this has been my consistent. Again, I've been using this over a decade, I feel. And it's the full cover extra camouflage cream. It's waterproof concealer, and my shade is 08. So I don't really wear concealer, like not on my skin, my entire skin or my under eye. I just like sometimes apply this if I have like a like a acne mark or like a few moles that if I need to hide sometimes, and so that's it. So after this, let me show you my favorite kajal, which happens to be this black one from the Charlotte Tilbury. So it's called Rock and Coal, and it's the eye pencil, and the shade is Bedroom Black. So I love this one because it doesn't smudge, and it's really like easy to apply. You don't have to like really try hard to apply this. It easily the color comes on your eye, like even if whenever you're applying like under, so yeah, really nice. And next is this eyebrow pencil that I love. It's from Dior Show Brow Styler. It's this one, and it has like this brush. It comes with this brush that you can just like after applying you can settle your brow with it. So my shade is 002 dark brown, and it's an amazing eyebrow pencil. Okay, so coming to you know, my favorite blush is this Dior one again, and it's this really gorgeous pink color. It's this one, and I love this blush. I think mostly whenever I'm out, I'm always applying this. It's called the Rosy Glow, and it's 001 in Petal. Really amazing blush. So the pink blush is that one, and if I need to apply something like more corally, peachy, my favorite is this blush from Lancome. It's called Blush Subtle, and the name of the blush, the shade of the blush is 03. It's called Sorbet de Coral. Yeah, and it's this one. Really beautiful color. This is also the one that I've just applied, that I'm wearing right now. Really nice. So after that, let me show you my favorite eyeliner. Is this one. This is from Shehnaz Hussain. It's called Shaline Plus. It's the herbal eyeliner, and I highly recommend this eyeliner. It's very easy to apply. It comes with this, you know, really nice like very, it doesn't, the best thing about it is this eyeliner is that it doesn't dry up. This is like really like a old bottle. I need to get a new one. It used to have like a mirror here that's like fallen off, but really nice brush it comes along with, and it's very easy to apply, and yeah, I highly recommend this. So after the blush, let me show you my lip tint. This is from the Forest Essential. Again, this is all like natural. It smells of roses. Really nice, amazing smell. You would love it. So you know, this can serve both purposes, like a lip balm and a lip tint in one. So it comes in different shades. It comes in red, it comes in like a brown. So they all are made of like fruits or flowers. So I remember the red one was for that's made up you know, I think it had anar. So yeah, so it's really good. So after that, you know, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite red color lipsticks, which happens to be this one from YSL. So it's from the Slim. It's called the Slim, and it's the shade number 23. So it's this really deep red, and I love it absolutely. And yeah, red happens to be my favorite, you know, color in lipsticks as well. And I have many red lipsticks. I think I need to make another video of my favorite red lipsticks, but this is really good, and this is the one that I'm also wearing right now. YSL lipsticks in general are really good. In fact, I have a huge range of YSL lipsticks, and yeah, so I'm going to be sharing in the upcoming video. So after that, let me show you this really important you know, like my favorite lip balm. It's the classic Carmex moisturizing lip balm. So I have very dry lips, and I've tried many lip balms, and you know, like I've never been happy until this. So yeah, you definitely need to try this, and it smells amazing. I don't know if it's picking up. Yeah, there you go. So it smells, it has camphor in it, so it really smells really like very divine, and very hydrating and really good. Like, it's very good for chapped lips. And earlier, you know, I could never wear matte lipsticks because my lips are so dry. And but having you know, it's been many years since I've been using this now, and I absolutely love this. So this was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye.